Have you ever thought of sponsoring your company or your product with a video to improve its indexation and web ranking? In a world where 5.7 million Google searches are made every day, more than 500 new websites are created, 2.5 quintillion gigabytes of data are sent, how does a company manage to stand out from this flood of data? Standing out is the key to positioning yourself at the top in the digital world. In 2017, JAES SRL, a company that specializes in industrial spare parts, realized the potential of the video format as a means to increase the visibility of the company and its products. Turning every one of its components sold into a short 60-second video, the company managed to index more than 300,000 products on the web, and to position itself among the first when a search is made for any industrial component. Thanks to an automated system for capturing photos and videos, the content is uploaded to social platforms and the company website, associating each product code with the corresponding video, which then can easily be found in search engines. This project has brought JAES a database of digital elaborates that function as a real salesperson, active 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Innovation was achieved when the company decided to invest in future customers using the power of education, putting 50% of internal resources at stake. With all the know-how it has acquired over the years, JAES has decided to put its knowledge at the service of all those people studying and working in the industry. Thus, the JAES Learning Project was born. Through elaborate videos of the highest quality, the company illustrates the operation and maintenance of industrial products. Thanks to 3D technology and experts in the field, we are able to go inside the products to explain the dynamics and processes that take place. This is a decisive step forward for education in industry, since most of this knowledge is learned in textbooks with simple pictures. All the elaborate videos are uploaded to the YouTube streaming platform in various channels divided into 5 languages, gaining millions of views. There are currently more than 300,000 subscribers and 80,000 daily views, with videos that have exceeded 2 million views. These are significant numbers when it comes to such a specialized topic as industry. The project became successful immediately, with positive feedback from users on the web, and the company's image gains even more visibility. The number of people entering the JAES website doubles every year, with 80 to 90 new inquiries for the commercial sector. Collaboration can be the key to success for the future of the JAES Learning Project. Creating synergies with our business partners to jointly discover digital content of the highest quality. The project with Zanardi Fonderie embodies this objective. A mini-series was created in which the entire production process of a foundry is explained, from design to finished product, bringing a lot of visibility to both companies. JAES, with the Learning Project, wants to give these opportunities to all business partners. The development of elaborate videos explaining what problems your products solve, the development of videos dedicated to the maintenance of specific products, a ready-made platform with millions of views and followers from the industry sector, videos translated into 5 languages, Italian, English, Spanish, French, and Arabic, by native speakers.